Greetings vintage radio enthusiasts. Here is a photograph of an old wartime civilian radio that I purchased on a market stall some months ago. It dates back to the 1940s and it was built during wartime in Britain to provide a cheap and fairly good radio for all the people to listen to the war news on. As you can see, it's in pretty poor condition, but I restored it. The next photograph shows a view taken from the back of the chassis. It's 3 valves. It's got a frequency changer ECH35, EF39 intermediate amplifier and a 6V6 power output valve. And this is the original wiring that was underneath it. It was in pretty awful condition when I got it, and although I got it working, you can see by the new components, I thought it was very unsafe, so I took everything off and I rebuilt it completely, and here we have the renewed wiring underneath the actual set. So you can see it's looking a lot neater. Now I'm going to turn it the right way up and demonstrate it. It's already plugged into the mains and the aerial connected, so I'll just switch it on. This is the loudspeaker lead, by the way, and we'll wait until it warms up and then I'll tune it in. Shouldn't take very long to warm up. Here it comes.
£40,000 and better still, you'd have it in your bank account by next weekend. Dave Barry's got all the details on the breakfast show when you wake up Monday.
UK. And if you're in a trade, become a Nest Pro at nest.com/EU/pro. Nice, isn't it? Yeah. Are the alloys standard?
Starting from just £1,495.
Three hands in pockets at the moment as Gaitan Bong gets away on the left-hand side. Ball into
Celsius, that's 55 degrees Fahrenheit. Now, the rain will continue overnight.
Getting a bit busy now into towards the Gilson change, but M621 and
he's just trying a first-time shot on his weaker left foot, and he's tightly marked there, I think.
Tomorrow, just today, 13 degrees Celsius, that's 55 degrees Fahrenheit.
Uncomfortable for average.
0182.
BBC Radio Leeds.
He's a mess. Open up the door. That's the key to the freedom that we've all been working for.
So you can see it's a very lively set, and I'm very impressed with the results considering the extreme age of it. I'll just move the camera up so that you can get a top view. It took me about a week or more to restore it, but I'm very satisfied with the results. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you.